We're on the challenge talking about basic string operators. We have two multiple choice questions that we're going to talk about in this video. The first is our basic string operators challenge and asks, given the code below, what's going to be printed? It says x equals the string I wonder, y equals the string how this will, but there's a white space, a blank space prepended to that, and then z is equal to the string work. And then we're just printing x plus y plus z. That's going to concatenate the string, right? It's going to add z to the end of y, and then y and z to the end of x, right? So it'll say, I wonder how this will work, right? One thing we have to notice here is that I do have a space at the beginning of y, but I don't have a space at the end of y, nor do I have a space at the beginning of z. There's going to be a space missing there. All of the other words should have spaces in between them, the way that we would expect typical syntax for the English language. So we can go ahead and see that I do have one of my choices representing that. Go ahead and check that out and we can see that it's correct. Moving on to the second challenge, we're asked what's the value of y after this code runs. We're given x equals 3, right? We have quotations here, so we're talking about the string 3, right? The actual character 3, and then y is equal to x times 3, right? Be careful, a lot of people are going to go for the 9, right? They're thinking about the integer 3 times 3. That's not what we're dealing with. We're dealing with the string 3, right? So it's not going to be either of these 9s, neither a string nor an integer representation of 9, right? But it's going to repeat that character 3 times and return it also as a string, right? Which is denoted by the quotation marks. So I can see that character is repeated 3 times. I've got my quotation marks indicating that it's a string, and I can check my answer, see that's correct. So that's it for these two challenges. There's one more coding challenge on this lesson. I'll see you over there in that video next.